Learn and grow your mind. Agriculture. Primary School Living Examination 14. We should follow the following steps for great results. Roman figure number 1. Read the questions and their answers frequently with space repetition reading technique. Section A in brackets 20 marks. Answer all questions. The diagram below shows a garden tool. Use it to answer question 1. 1. A. Name the tool. Spade. B. State the use of the tool. Used for digging and turning over soil. 2. State 2 ways in which HIV and AIDS affects agricultural productivity. Reduces the labor force as infected individuals become too weak to work. Leads to loss of agricultural knowledge and skills when experienced workers die. 3. Give 2 importance of soil. Provides nutrients for plant growth. Supports plant roots and anchors them firmly in place. The diagram below shows a management activity carried out in crop production. Use it to answer question 4. 4. State 2 reasons for carrying out the management activity. To reduce competition for nutrients between crops and weeds. To improve crop yield and growth by giving them more space and resources. 5. State any 2 advantages of protecting wild animals. Helps to maintain biodiversity and ecological balance. Can promote tourism and generate income. 6. Give any 2 signs of ill health in chickens. Loss of appetite, drooping wings or feathers. Use the information below to answer question 7. A farmer keeps his animals in a clean environment. He gives the animals clean water and he deworms them regularly. 7. Name any 2 parasites controlled by the farmer. Roundworms. Liver flukes. 8. State any 2 factors considered when choosing land for growing crops. Soil fertility. Availability of water. The diagram below shows a maize seed. Use it to answer question 9. 9. State 2 conditions needed for the growth of the part labeled Q. Moisture in brackets water. Warm temperature. Use the information below to answer question 10. For every 10 hens, a farmer must keep 1 cock. 10. How many cocks must a farmer keep for 250 hens? 250 divided by 10 equals 25. Answer. 25 cocks. Section B in brackets 40 marks. Answer all questions. The diagram below shows a structure used in goat production. Use it to answer question 11. 11. A. Name the structure shown. Goat pen. B. State any 2 good features of the structure. It is well ventilated. It has a raised roof for shade and protection from rain. C. State 2 ways in which the structure will benefit the farmer. It helps reduce disease spread among goats. It improves productivity through better animal health and comfort. The diagrams below show some field crops grown in the motherlands of Botswana. Use it to answer question 12. 12. A. Name the field crops labeled L and M. L. Sunflower. M. Watermelon. B. Give 2 benefits of crop N to people suffering from HIV and AIDS. Provides essential vitamins and nutrients. Boosts the immune system. C. Describe how field crop labeled L is harvested. The sunflower heads are cut when they turn brown and dry. Seeds are then removed and dried further before storage. The diagram below shows a management activity carried out to prepare land for plowing. Use it to answer question 13. 13. A. Name the management activity. Land clearing. B. State 3 reasons for carrying out the management activity. To remove weeds and unwanted vegetation. To make it easier to plow the land. To reduce pests and diseases in the field. C. Name one of the tools used to carry out the management activity. Hoe. The diagrams below show types of soil structures. Use them to answer question 14. 14. A. Label the types of soil structures labeled G and H. G. Granular. H. Single grain. B. Which of the 2 soil structures loses moisture very fast? H in brackets single grain. C. Give 1 reason for your answer in B. Above. It has large pores that allow water to drain quickly. D. Which soil structure is good for plant growth? G in brackets granular. The diagram below shows one way of caring for garden tools. Use it to answer question 15. 15. A. Which way of caring for tools is shown in the diagram? Hanging the tools properly in a tool shed. B. State 2 advantages of caring for the tools. It prevents the tools from rusting. It makes the tools last longer. C. State 2 other ways of caring for tools apart from the one shown in the diagram. Cleaning the tools after use. Sharpening the tools regularly. Use the information below to answer question 16. A farmer collected a soil sample from a field and tested it by rubbing it between his hands. He found out that the soil was sticky and later observed that it cracks when dry. 16. A. What was the farmer testing for? The farmer was testing the soil texture or type. B. State 3 reasons why the soil cannot be used for growing crops. It has poor drainage. It becomes hard and cracks when dry. It does not allow enough air to reach plant roots. C. Name the type of soil with the characteristics observed by the farmer. Clay soil. The diagram below shows a management activity carried out in cattle production. Use it to answer question 17. 17. A. Name the management activity carried out. Branding. B. Describe how the management activity is carried out. The animal is restrained, and a hot iron with a unique identification mark is heated until red hot. It is then pressed onto the animal's skin for a few seconds to burn the mark onto the hide. The process leaves a permanent scar with the identification code. C. Name the tool used to carry out the management activity. Branding iron. The information below shows a farm record. Use it to answer question 18. A farmer had 20 sheep. He bought bags of feed at 100 pula. He also bought medicine at 150 pula to inject them. 18. A. Use the information above to complete the farmer's production and financial records. Production record. Financial record. 20 sheep injected. 100 pula for feed. 150 pula for medicine. B. State 2 reasons for injecting sheep. To prevent or treat diseases. To boost their immunity or improve health. The diagram below shows a management activity carried out to prepare land for plowing.